practice on what is coordinate plane. Okay, describe the coordinate plane. In topic first we are discuss about what is coordinate plane. So for this you seen it clearly. A coordinate plane is a two-dimensional plane formed by the intersection of two number lines. One of these number line is horizontal number line called x-axis. For reference you see the red one, we called it x-axis, and this is called horizontal plane, and the vertical plane we called it y-axis. Understand? And similarly, if in second topic you check that we make practice on object on coordinate plane. Let's suppose we have this one point. Okay, this one point, where is it's located on 2D plane. So first we check on which plane it's lie on x-axis. Give me response.
Response? Which one?
This one. On which plane it's lie on x-axis?
On axis.
On second plane. Understand? So that's why we write 2. And now we check for y plane. The second plane it's lie on 3. And how much?
3.
Good. So the point is located 2 and 3. Understand? Where the first number present x plane and the second number present y plane. Understand? Similarly, we just point this one. Now where is this point lie? So first we check it on x plane, and x plane is lie on which number? Just tell me. On which number it's lie? On which plane it's lie on x-axis?
3 threes and
Yes.
5 fives.
5, 5. Good. The first plane present x-axis and the second one present y-axis. So 5 and 5. Understand? Again, I gave you overview what means by coordinate plane. Coordinate plane is a two-dimensional plane formed by the intersection of two number lines. One of these number lines lie on horizontal, which we called it x-axis, and the vertical one we called it y-axis. Now in case if we plot any point on this number line, so we first check x plane, where it's lie on x plane, just like this point lie on second plane of x-axis and third plane on y-axis. So the points lie on 2 and 3. Understand?
Okay, 2 and 3.
Good. And for second one, you seen it clearly. The second point lie, first we check on x-axis, which is 5, and after that we check the second one, which is for y plane, 5 and 5. You have any question?
No, I don't.
If I drop one worksheet, so can we make practice on it? Your concept is clear about how to find the location, exact location of any point on 2D plane?
No, I don't have any types of questions on that.
Good. So here you seen it clearly. If I drop one question here, and also first you also know about the point where and these both plane interact each other. This is we called it origin. Okay, and this both plane are 0 and 0. And similarly, can you just tell me about where is this point? What is x plane for this and y plane? Can you tell me about it?
X plane and Y plane?
Yes. Where
Well,
is this point?
where is the what?
Okay, first check on x plane. X plane it's lie on.
X plane is lay on X plane because it has an X going straight, going. It has an X going straight. 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 It has an X going strai going left.
Good. So what is this point here?